Today we're going to focus on Asteroids, episode 3. And we will also learn how to spawn asteroids. Yeah, but before that, we're going to fix a simple bug that popped up, and it's that, you see, we can't wrap around unless, because of this glitch. So I have an easy fix for this though. We're just going to turn all these into if-else statements. So, oops. If else, and keep this in if. So what was happening is that, let's just check first of all. It works perfectly. So what was happening is that this would run, and then immediately after that it would glitch back to the top because of that. So what this does here is that after you wrap around, it just does not run the other if statements because we already know they'll be false. So yeah, now let's start with asteroid spawning. Make a new sprite. We're gonna call it Asteroid. And then you're just gonna create a simple design for an asteroid. It doesn't need to be anything too detailed for now, because this game is still in its alpha stage, so yeah. Then I'm just gonna move these points to make an asteroid-like shape. Okay, there we go. So this will be my asteroid. Call it Asteroid. Okay, let's start with the code. So first of all, over here you're gonna do wanna receive start. You're gonna forever spawn. Okay. So I'm gonna make a new block called spawn. Make sure it's run without screen refresh. Okay. And actually edit this and make a numeric input. Edge. Okay, there you go. So forever you're gonna spawn, and the edge is gonna be an input of a random from 1 to 4, because you have 4 edges, and it's gonna be a random chance that we spawn on the top edge or the bottom edge. So yeah, and then we're just gonna wait 5 seconds for now. Okay, so for the spawn, you're gonna do if else. If edge is equal to 1, then go to y 175 and x 240. X is gonna be pick random from negative 240 to 240. Duplicate this, and if it's 2, then it's going to be negative 175, so the bottom edge. If it's 3, then what you're going to do is drag this here, and here it's going to be 235, and pick random from negative 180 to 180. And same thing for 4, but just on the left edge. That's going to be negative 235. Okay, and turn this to an if statement. And after you do that, you're just gonna create a clone of myself at the bottom. Okay, and first of all, you're gonna hide the original sprite, and then drag it in when I start as a clone. This is going to be the behavior of the asteroid. For now, you just want to show. Actually, don't show yet. First of all, you're going to point towards player. You're going to show. And then repeat. For now, let's just do a forever loop. Or, actually, let's do it repeat 10. Move 10 steps. Turn this to 25. Delete this clone. Let's see if this works. There we go, it works. It's waiting 5 seconds, and then there we go, another asteroid. I'm just gonna set this to 1. Okay. Right now, they're just disappearing because we have a repeat loop. So let's make sure that they don't disappear until they touch the edge. Or another thing we could do is a wraparound block, which also... Okay, so what we're going to do now is, rather than repeat 5, you're going to do fix clone glitch. Okay, make it run that screen refresh. Do fix clone glitch before you show the block. Show the clone. What this does is just do repeat until not touching edge. Actually, before we do that, do a repeat 10, move 2 steps, or 1, and you can do an if statement, and then, oops, if touching edge, then delete this clone. And rather than a repeat, it's gonna do move 15 steps. And if touching edge, delete this clone. If you're not touching the edge, go to your original position, which is negative 15 steps. Okay, after this, still repeat 10. It's gonna be move 10 steps. This is to ensure, actually, we're gonna do repeat 3, move 5 steps. And this is to only ensure that you're not touching the edge and you don't delete yourself immediately. Repeat until touching edge, move 5 steps, and then delete this clone. Try this out. Okay, actually we should, let's just, okay, so for now I'm just gonna lower the size of the asteroid so that it actually works, and then bring in the fix clone glitch. Or not. And turn this to fix 30. Move negative 30 steps. And this is going to be repeat 6. Try this again. Should work. And now we're going to try again the fix clone glitch. Okay, there we go. It's working. Okay. So now we're just gonna bring in the other concept of wraparound. So for now, make a new variable called health. And make sure it's for the sprite only. Here you can set health to 15. Or for now, let's set health to 1. Repeat until, let's pause this, health is less than 1. That means it's 0. Okay, and then what you can do is wrap around. Run that screen refresh. Unlike the other wraparound, what we're just gonna do here is if touching edge, go to negative Y position and X position. There we go. Now we're just going to drag and wrap around here. Okay, let's test this out. And as you can see, they just wrap around and oh, okay, this is a glitch. Okay, what we're gonna do here, point in direction. Actually, what we're gonna do here is move 30 steps. Oh, not here. And here, yeah. See, it works perfectly. That's amazing. And to make it better, we can just like lower this value to 20 or even 10. Well, not 10 because that can cause that glitch again. And that glitch is happening because they keep doing that. So yeah. So for that, we're just gonna do another repeat until not touching edge. Move 1 step. There you go, that should work. And no glitches. So that's good. And this will keep happening because we're not deleting the clones, because our gun has literally no power right now. As you can see, I have 12 clones already. So yeah. Now that's it for this video. The next video will focus on giving our bullet some more power that it can destroy the asteroids. And another thing that we should do before we leave is turn this to 20. This is because the player can sometimes move faster than the bullet itself. So to make it more realistic, let me just do 15 for now. Actually, 20 would be better. So yeah, to make it more realistic, just increase the bullet speed. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.